and welcome to our TICO 77X tutorial series. Each of the 5 standard functions of the TICO 77X can be programmed individually and adapted to the respective application. This is done with the function codes. The function and behavior of the inputs and outputs, as well as the behavior of the device, are programmed in the set basic function with the function codes. In today's tutorial, I would like to show you how to set these function codes. To set up the function codes of the TICO 77X, please keep the keys E and arrow down pressed and switch on the counter. Now you can use the arrow right button to go through to each function codes. And to set up one of these function codes, please use arrow up or arrow down. Then you can go through all 35 function codes in the pulse counter basic function. And finally save and press E to go back to the count mode. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and I'm looking forward to see you again in the next videos. Thank you very much.